Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's a boy Jambisco. I'm there back in the music club with another banger. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yeah man, Dan Mafia, I see what I do today. Yeah man, we're there man in we're there back in the music club with artists that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, we're there back with the Ratty Gang boss himself man. We are talking about no Hannah, Mr. London, Dan, Mr. himself, Mr. Smooth with it, Mr. feel like rockstar help. You see what I'm saying? Yeah man, we are talking about none other than yeah man, no Skeng man. Yeah man, we're there with another banger video from Skeng. You just dropped the video like 30 minutes or an hour ago entitled My Mada, and we're gonna check it out and see what go on. You don't know Skeng, I know Skeng is stranger to the channel, like, you don't know. And say from what I'm wondering why Skeng being he's been real quiet. It's like a month now since him dropped a new tune. And you see that I jump something I know, so we'll check it out and see what go on today. But you already know guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. You don't know, turn on post notification. Your boy only 30 subs away, so hit that like and subscribe button. 30 subs away from 2K, so subscribe, join the family. You know, once we 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We ain't even stopping at 5K, you know what I'm saying? So hit that like and subscribe button, join the family, become part of the latest reaction channel. The energy and the vibes over here are so crazy. That's going to the comment section and ask the gang will tell you see me? But yeah man, people, we're there man, we're going to check out Skeng. I do him thing man. You see me, I've been wondering, yo, where's Skeng with the ratty bastard, cause everybody been dropping songs, you see me, and I don't see no new tune from him, so I wonder where dog I deal with. But look like the dog did try something different, cause the song sound very different. The one entitled My Mada, you see me, I wonder what kind of meds the dog they put, you see me? That's because, for instance, from the title already, you see me, it gotta be something about his mom, you see me? So that's what we are finding out and see what I deal with exactly, you see me? So you don't know, we're not going to go hold up the vibes much longer. We're going to see where the ratty gang boss I deal with. Yeah man. So I jump right into the track right now. Right into the track right now. This is Skeng, My Mada. Let's get it.
There's some big up every mother out there, see it. Every woman out there with a love. Ain't know the older we get, the more we get in tune and touch the old days, and before was standing, we just give thanks for life and to the give up my life on the line.
But yo, about the drop My Mada upon Father's Day. You see me? So I wonder, but hey, let's see what dog assisting. You see me?
My mother, my general, know your boy love. Yeah, I gotta say the most loyal in the gang. If they make it out to the place, my go out. From birthday though, but I'm not for worry about nothing. Say it clear, now look for feel, my feel too much. That time, man, fuck, I still there and I give up, man, a gangster for life, no shame, me grow me rough.
Say move me growing rough, no shame, man, a gangster for life, what you mean, move it. So I go on.
Me, you, my God, you there for me. Me and you, blessing me forever.
Dog a power the milk youth, that a Skeng, that a little Skeng. Yeah man, dog get him mute. You see that post up him mute like a month or two ago, him post up him being one and thing, you know what I'm saying, with him mute on him in car and thing. Yeah man, thing dog mute in the video.
Me, you, mine, and never lift my feet. Only thing sorry, say make you cry.
The only thing sorry say make you cry. You say a word easy.
Years of joy, proud and with them make way. Put the jacket and tie, you still I'm in the time. Make way for my queen, make it past the rough days. Some below, so I'm by the
way for my queen to pass the rough days, what you mean?
Fast I can't, anything I tell me you want me free fox. Yeah, the world, my dog, that not at all. Life too hard, man, for do it before my gone. My playing part. Remember days, man, have no years stuck in the dirt.
My life too hard, to do it before we're gone, you see me? In my life, we have no money, have to do it now.
Now I take no talk from nobody, my lap me. Stress her out on a daily base, mount of school, my change. Misunderstanding, but me stop trying for change. When I just want big brain, but I want
so dog, stress her out daily, mount of school, man, for change. Just say that go on, dog. Yeah, bounce from school to school, Skeng.
Man for great shooting star, me active, now blazing. Man, double fear, cause nothing no way if my catch no case. But good in the race, no me go make that clear. Me, you, my God, you did it for me. Me and you.
say, Mummy, I'm done. Are you there for me? Eh? Mad, eh?
Blessing me forever shine. Mummy, you mine, I'll never let me feel. Only thing me sorry is to make me put my life on the line. In the day for my mother, my general. Know you boy love ya.
Put life on my line, put my life on the line in the day for me, eh? Yeah, I mean, man.
Gotta say the most loyal in the gang. If they make it hot to the place, me go hot. From birthday though, but I'm not for worry about nothing.
If they make it hot, yo. Yeah? And the place I get hot up. Yeah, I'm not talk summer.
Me say clear now, look for feel, me feel too much. That time man, fuck up still lay and not give up. Man, no gangsta for life, no shame, me grow me rough. Genuine love. Me, you mine, and you there for me.
But, hey.
Me and you blessing me forever shine. Me, you mine, and never let me
Hey, you hear that? Don't play with it. Yeah, I mean, man, Skeng.
only thing me say.
Come with something different, man. When you see me that change up, yeah? Come with something sentimental, something a little with meaning. You know, that I was saying, come everything be a vibes and bad man thing will come some with a little bit more, you know? Yeah. Come on, substance. Nothing. Yeah, man, that's a Skeng, my Mada. Yeah, man, Skeng, big up yourself. You see me? That come with something a little more substance, something a little more meaningful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, people, so let me know what you think about that one. You know, I think it was a vibe, something meaningful. But I wonder why I'm dropped that on Father's Day. You know what I'm saying? Maybe because his dad was near and mama was the one that, you know what I'm saying? They did it. But anyway, though, you know, no, big up Skeng, big up his mother, you know. But you don't know Father's Day, so big up all of the father them out there. You don't know, yeah, man, big up on yourself. You don't know to my father and to yours out there. You don't know, yeah, man, without the father, you couldn't, without the mother, you say, you see me? Yeah, man, but big up all of the fathers, them all of the good fathers, you see me? Yeah, man. You don't know, people, I know anything about that one day. You definitely drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know you're watching from all that. If you like, you show that it's all of our support. Make you know, sir, Jambisco dancing. Let me know what you want to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You don't know, guys. Let me just say, yo, we only like 30 subs away from 2K. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Help the boy out. Well, you know what I'm saying? When we hit 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We ain't even stopping at 5K. You don't know. The vibes over here so lit. The energy over here so mad. You don't want to miss up on the video them. Say that like and subscribe. And I don't know. Till next time, it's a boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit and smashing up. Bang! Yeah, man. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.